love to collaborate. I'm thinking really like in the future or maybe like
Yeah,
a big level. I would love to work in a Sanjay Leela Bhansali film because those.
like this person's like next level acting.
I
So
think I really look up to Kangna Ranaut because. Hey,
hello,
hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good.
How's it going? How's lockdown going?
Lockdown is going nice
It's
for
going nice.
now. Yeah. I have been trying to spread positivity as possible because it's very important that everybody takes it in a very nice way. And lockdown seriously has been going really good because I'm getting to spend time with my family and I'm doing various stuff. So I'm kind of busy even being at home. So yeah, I'm
That's
having fun.
that's good to hear. It's good that you're keeping busy because
Yeah.
this is the great time to spend time with family,
Yeah.
things, stuff like that. So it's damn cool. So is it something that you've learned new that you didn't have time for before and now you're like, oh, I have time, let's do this.
Yeah, baking. So baking, I always watch videos, like online, like oh wow, cakes and
Yeah.
milkshakes and stuff. But meko actually, I never actually got time to buy those stuffs and then actually
Yeah.
bake. So then, in this lockdown, I have actually done a lot of baking. I have made a cake, and I've made milkshake on my own. I've made so
Wow.
even during Mother's Day because we couldn't get cake from outside, so I
Uh,
made cake on my own or milkshake, and then that's how we celebrated. So, yeah.
that's good. Amazing. So, tell me something. How are you dealing with creating content in this lockdown? Because it's quite restricting now. You can't go out. So, how are you?
Yeah.
How is it like? How are you dealing with this whole lockdown thing, content
So,
wise?
basically, when lockdown actually started initially, I was like, what? I can't go out. So basically, I am a extrovert. I'm like
Oh,
extreme extrovert, and I love going out. Even if I'm not shooting or if I'm not working, I'll be out, with my friends to some cafe or with my parents, or I'll be taking my mom to some new cafe. So I'm that kind of a person who likes going out so much. And for me, it was really difficult to accept the fact that we can't go outside now. So
yeah.
then I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna get bored. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna feel, I don't know
Yeah.
what's gonna happen to me. And then I realized ki nahi, it's not like that. And maybe I took it in a very positive way. And like you said, ki, for making content now, I can't go outside. I can't work in serials
Yeah.
or any ads or anything, music videos. Everything has gone to pause. But I have learned new things. I've started going. I was not active on YouTube that much before, and
Yeah.
in this lockdown period, I have made some videos, and I'm active on YouTube, even on Insta. So
Yeah.
it's really nice making content at home. So it also teaches you a lot because you
Ah,
have no cameraman, you have no. It's just me, my parents, and they're
that.
helping me out with this. So yeah.
Because how do you take such awesome pictures of yourself? I want to know, like, who's taking these pictures? They're so good.
Full credit to my mom and dad.
Yeah?
Like sometimes it's my mom, sometimes it's my dad, and I just dress up. I'm like, dad, let's click some pictures, or mom, let's click some pictures. And it's just, I'm like, dude, you both should be camera, you both should be photographers, my god. But
Fact.
no, it's fun. It's fun doing that. It's like you're collaborating with your parents. It's fun.
Yeah, so cute. But it's awesome. They're really talented, yeah, really. Because those
Yeah,
pictures
they are.
are professional.
I'm just lucky to have them both.
Yeah. Acha, what do you miss the most about going out? Like, because you said you're an extrovert. So, what are you going to do the first thing once this whole thing is over?
So being very, 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 very honest,
Yeah.
I would say, of course, I'm missing shooting and stuff, but except from that, the first thing I'm gonna do is go out and get myself a pizza because I'm missing pizza like a
Great.
lot. I'm missing pizza too much. So that will be my answer. I would first go and get pizza. I would meet my friends, I would give them a hug,
Yeah.
and then I'll start shooting because I really want to do some music videos and everything has gone to hold. So yeah.
Yeah, so tell me about that. Is there anything that is like it was going to happen during this time and now it's stuck because of the lockdown?
Yeah. So what happened is before the lockdown, in Feb, I was shooting for a film and we
Oh,
completed it fortunately. The entire month I was in Jammu, I was shooting for that. After that, when I came back to Mumbai, I had my 12th boards. So I
oh
completed
wow.
that, but there's this last one board paper which they didn't allow us to give because they were like already Corona had come to India and everything was like messed up. So then my last board paper of CBSE is going to be held in July. So I'm studying also currently.
So that you have more time to study. It's awesome.
That is there, yeah, that is there. Of course, this one subject I've got 1 month now. So I'm getting, yeah. Initially, it was all the subjects in 1 month I studied, and now I have 1 month for one subject. Oh God, it's amazing. But yeah, so that is left, and after my boards, I had plans to go to some places for my music videos, and I was in talks with some people for new shows and some movies. Maybe I was going to visit Cannes because my film was going to release there. So that didn't happen, which was big for me. So that I was really looking forward for that. But yeah, that's not happening this year.
It will next year. I mean,
yeah, of course it will. But I have to wait longer for that. So that is quite. It's like, oh no.
Oh my God. Okay, what is your ultimate goal in life? Like, if you feel like, okay, this is the stage that if I reach, my life is like sorted. Now I don't need to do anything.
I think I of course want to be an actress, and I really want to do some really good movies, like really good content movies, and I would love to be part of good shows or everything. But I think, see, I'm too young to say that I'll be satisfied if I get this, but I really want that I should be happy and at peace, what I'm doing with work. Like I should have that like I want to be an actress who does good content, and if I'm doing that, I think I'll be quite happy. But I think the passion is so much that kabhi bhi I'll not be satisfied ki, okay, I'm done. It's always going to be, now I want to do more. But yeah, I think I just want to be happy, and I just want to do good stuff. That's all.
Well said. And who is your ultimate like person that you look up to in terms of acting? Like, oh my God, this level is like, this person's like next level acting.
I think I really look up to Kangana Ranaut because she comes from a background, of not of industry. She's from a non-industrial family, and wherever she is today, it's because of her own acting skills and what she has done. And I really admire her for, she's such a good actress that if you see Queen, you see that character itself. If you see Tanu as Manu, she's playing those characters so well. You don't see Kangna, you see that character. So I really look up to her because of that reason. So I think I would love to meet her. I would love to maybe act with her. That would be really great.
Yeah, and in terms of content creation, who is that one person you would love to collaborate with?
I think I would love to collaborate. I'm thinking really like in the future, or maybe like a big level. I would love to work in a Sanjay Leela Bhansali film because those are grand. They're like major, like big films. The point of view is so big. So I think I would love to be a part of that.
That is grand. Like,
yeah, that is grand. That's why I said, I was like, I'm telling you this, it's a very grand collaboration. But yeah, I would. It's just like one of my dreams, or maybe a bucket list, you can say.
Nice wish to have. And your best friend in the industry?
My best friend in industry. So I have, everyone is a very good friend, but I consider Jannat as one of my really good friends because I've known her for really long time, and I think we have this really good chemistry. We have this really good friendship. So I think I really, she's a very good person. Jannat is a very good person. So I think her, and Darshil is a very good friend of mine, Darshil Safari. So he is like, he's just amazing. He's always up for giving movie suggestions, music suggestions. He's like, I can just message him at 3 a.m. I'll be like, what movie should I watch? He'll just, he'll give a terrific suggestion. So he's a very good friend, and he's a very nice person.
Awesome. Okay. What is the best about working in a TV show, and what is the worst thing about it?
I think best thing, I would say there's a lot of exposure, you can say. There's a lot of, when I did Jhansi Ki Rani, that was my first title show, and there were a lot of hoardings and everything all over India. So it was really grand for me. And other thing that is the best, I would say, or one of the best, is I think you learn a lot from TV shows, because it is not easy. It's a task, and if you work in a TV show, you get to learn a lot. So I've done like 7 to 8 shows, and every show has taught me, different things. Balvi taught me about chroma, about camera, about direction, because I was too young that time. And then Jhansi taught me, Jhansi Ki Rani, the whole attitude, the whole, it was a very big character for me and a very big responsibility. I was really happy to get the opportunity. So every show teaches you one thing, or multiple things. Basically, you actually experience so much, and you meet great people, who have
Yeah.
done major in life. And worst things, I wouldn't say it's the worst thing, but
Yeah.
I think I would say that TV shows take take a toll on your health. If you don't have good health, maybe it'll be really difficult for you to work. So it's not basically the fault of TV shows. It's actually on you. If you have good health, then
Yeah.
you can work nicely. Because
Yeah.
everyone knows now that we work 12 to 13 hours for TV shows.
Yeah.
So it's
How
really
how do you
difficult.
fit? I want to ask you actually. Now you are an actor, a full-time actor, right? And you make content. How do you manage to create so much content? Because content takes a lot of time, a lot of your
Yeah.
energy, So how are you balancing that? Content creation on
See,
YouTube, I'm talking about, like
of
media
course, of
platforms,
course.
Yeah.
See, firstly, I don't take it as like a major task, or like a very big like of course, it's a responsibility, but I take it as a fun job. So when
Yeah.
you take your responsibility as fun, then everything seems so easy. Then that energy that you're giving to that, and after all, when I see the reaction or the response of my fans, I'm like, dude, all the energy, all my time was worth it, because the response that I get from my fans is like so unconditional, and it's so
Yeah.
pure, and that's the reason it's the major motivation. That's why I really appreciate my Anushkins for that, because they are
Yeah.
the reason I
And
get so motivated.
they are so loyal to you. It's amazing.
Yeah, that's
Amazing.
amazing. And not only from India. The best thing is
Yeah.
I have fans from, all over the world, and actually it is the best gift that I have.
I'm sure. I'm sure. How did you react when you first started seeing so much love and fan pages and all? What was your first thought?
I think when I started Instagram, it was just for fun. It was
Yeah.
just like, okay, let's be on Instagram because it's a thing now. So I
Yeah.
just started Instagram for memories and stuff. But then when I started my first fan page, when I saw that Anushka Sain fan page, I was like, wow, people like making fan pages for me. And now we are at 8.3 million, and that is incredible. Like today also, whenever I open my phone, open my Instagram, I see so many likes, so many
Yeah.
comments, so many edits. I just get goosebumps. I still feel it's so surreal, because it's incredible when I meet my fans at events, and the way they express their emotions. The times they start crying, and I start crying then, looking at them,
Wow.
like they get so emotional from the inside, that I'm like, dude, this is bliss. This is, I think that's what I'm saying. That's why I'll never get that satisfaction in life, because
Yeah.
right now only I'm already grateful for what I have, and I'll be grateful in the future as well. So I'm just really grateful for my fans.
That's amazing. How do you feel about being with Kyuki now, by the way? I've been meaning to ask you that.
Yeah. So I'm being managed by Kyuki, and I have met the team online
Yeah.
because we actually wanted to do a nice face-to-face meeting, but that wasn't possible because of the situation. But no problem, we have other ways also too. So then we had this nice call. Everyone was there, and I met the team, and swear to God, they're so sweet. Every person is just so sweet. They're so good. There's Kyuki is actually very nice, and I'm really looking forward for a great collaboration with this, and because it's a new thing
Yeah.
for me, and I'm really excited.
Yeah, it's good because they're really
Yeah.
good. They have like a team. So
Yeah,
yeah.
it's major.
You're-
That's why I'm saying it's grand. It's like,
Yeah.
for one thing, there are like so many people, and the best part is that they're so sweet. Everyone is so sweet. So I can't wait to meet them. I want to
Yeah.
meet them in real life.
I'm
It's not
sure.
happening.
That Kushi, right?
What? Sorry, your
Kushi is my
voice is
sister.
cracking.
Hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah.
I was saying that Kushi is my sister.
Yeah, Kushi told me that you're going live with my sister. I was like, wow, that's incredible.
Yeah.
And Kushi is also so nice.
Yeah.
She's like a very good human being. So it's just great to be, part of something which has such amazing people.
I agree. I agree completely. Okay. I want to ask you quickly, okay? Your favorite movie?
Favorite movie, Hindi or English?
Any.
Okay, so I'll say both. So my
Yeah,
favorite English movie would be Inception, Great Gatsby, and favorite Hindi movie will be Queen Tanu Its Manu Returns.
of course, because Kangna.
Of course.
Okay, and favorite song? Like the one song that you feel so good and happy listening to.
Jinne Mera Dil Luttaya, oh, that song never gets old. Oh my god.
True, it's true. I love that. Favorite, favorite. Okay, and now quickly I'm gonna ask you to, I'm gonna say some words and you just have to act it out, okay?
Oh,
With,
okay.
yeah, emotions. So I'm gonna start with happy.
Hi, this is me, Anushka. Thank you so much for all your love.
This came out from the heart, no?
From the heart, directly.
Okay, sad.
I really want to go out. I really want to go out. I'm laughing. I'm so sad that I'm laughing now.
Okay, now exhausted.
I lost it. Okay. It's not done. I want my pizza right now. Do you understand? I want my pizza right now.
Okay, and shy.
I'm never shy. That's the problem. But I can act it out for you. Hi guys. Yeah, I'm just so happy for being live today with this beautiful person right here, Karishma. Hi
Okay,
guys.
cute, cute. Now laugh, angry.
Angry. This is not done. No, this is not done. See, now, okay, I have my chips and everything, but I want to go out. Don't you understand? I want to travel the whole world. When will this corona go? Please go out. Please just leave. Leave the world. हो गया यार, बहुत हो गया.
Too good, yeah, Anushka.
Oh my god.
Now, quick rapid fire round, okay?
Oh wow.
Yeah, okay. Singing or dancing? What do you prefer?
Dancing, any day.
That on YouTube. Okay, or coffee?
Coffee. Of course, I'm a coffee lover.
Lovely. Sweet food or spicy food?
Spicy food.
Okay. And what would you like to work in the most? Okay. TV series, web series, or a movie?
Web series for now because I have not done that.
Ah, nice answer. And your dream destination?
Paris.
Have you been yet?
No. I
Ah,
haven't been to Paris. I have to. That's why it's like I have to
Dream.
go to Paris. Dream.
job. Okay, guys, if you want to ask her anything, hi Sushant, what's up? Sushant is here. Dipkikar, whoa. He's such a cutie.
Oh.
Okay. If you guys want to ask Anushka any questions, please leave in the comments so she can answer them for you. Till then,
Yes.
I'm going to ask you.
Yeah.
Um. Okay. What do you prefer, comedy roles or like serious roles?
Sorry, what? Your voice was breaking. Comedy roles or?
Serious roles.
So I haven't done comedy roles that much. So I would really love to be a part of comedy roles
Right.
because I love watching comedy. So I think I'd love to be a part of one.
Yeah, I think you do a fab job. You should
Yeah?
definitely. Yeah.
Oh my god, thanks.
Definitely try it. I think it'll suit you. It'll be nice. Okay, and your favorite social media platform?
I think Instagram. Yeah, Instagram.
Yeah, mine also. And wait. Oh yeah, one thing I want to ask you is, what is the one tip you can give someone who's starting, like who's a budding content creator?
My buddy content creator.
No. Like no. The tips on someone who's starting out as a content.
Starting out.
Yeah.
So I think the one tip that is very real is be you, because a lot of people they think that if you follow somebody or like copy someone's style, you're gonna get famous. That's not gonna happen. Even if you get famous, it's gonna be like like people are gonna say that, oh, this
Yeah.
person has been copying someone. So I think it's really important to be original. So if you are not original, you're not gonna get really far. So I think please be you, and don't think that people are gonna judge, because YouTube and Instagram, there's such it has such good people. They'll not
Yeah.
judge you, and they'll actually welcome you with open arms.
I love that. Okay, people are asking Let me just see them. All right. Okay.
Yeah.
Which is Lifeline Sen is asking.
1 second. Your voice was cracking. Can you please repeat?
Your favorite game?
Favorite game?
Yeah.
See, I don't play that much games, but I think my favorite game would be Temple Run, maybe. Just love that.
I was an addicted game.
Yeah, I was. You know, Subway Surfer and Temple Run was
Yeah,
like
oh
a
my God,
hype.
so much.
I used to go to my shot and then come back, and I was like, everyone used to watch. I remember 15 people coming behind me and watching. Oh,
Oh my God. Wow.
so yeah.
Okay. Your favorite hero?
Favorite hero, Ranveer Singh.
Good job. I love him. How
Super
did you
energetic.
super. How did you start your acting career?
So yeah, long story. 9 years back I started. I was into dancing. I was a student of Shamak Davar, so that's how I started. Yeah. So I was in this group called JDC, and one day Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra sir and his team, they came and they wanted to audition us for a music video. And I was like very small. I was like in third standard, and
Wow.
they just told me to perform. I was like, okay, I'll just perform. And that was
Yeah.
my passion. It was my passion, so I just performed, and they liked me, and they chose me for the music video. That's how I started. And then I did some ads. Then I did a show, and then that show,
Yeah.
then people started recognizing me. People used to recognize me by the character, so that was there. So they used to they were like Parvati, oh Meher, or something. But now I've been really lucky because of Instagram and Likey app, because people have been actually known me. They've known me for quite a long time, so now they're like Anushka Sen. So I love that.
That's, that's
Because,
amazing.
of course, I love being. If somebody calls me Meher, I still turn because I know that's a part of me. Because they are parts of me. So I would not. I don't feel like, oh, it's a wrong thing to do. But I think I would love being called Anushka Sen because that's my real name, of course.
Of course, I can imagine. All right. Checking for. There's mostly love for you on this comment section, by the way. Less, but there's so much love.
Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for your love. Really, it means a lot.
Yeah. What is your favorite pastime, by the way?
My favorite pastime is Netflixing. That's my favorite.
What are you watching on Netflix right now?
So right now I was watching this series on Amazon Prime called Manifest. So it's like 29 episodes ka series. It's very good. Very good. And on Netflix I was watching Outer Banks.
Outer
Banks.
Okay.
It's a very nice series. It's a very good series.
I'm gonna check it out.
Please check it out. And Money Heist is so I think I'm gonna have to see it again. Oof.
Yeah.
I just love that series. So
Yeah.
so somebody told me that if you want to watch it again, watch it in the original
Absolutely.
language.
I totally agree. You have to. Yeah.
I think I'll do that.
But it is so worth it.
No, now I know the story, so I think I'll not even look at the subtitle. I'm like, okay, speak whatever you speak, I'll just look at you.
Yeah, good. Time you watch, you can aram se see it. Yeah.
Yeah, see, now I know the suspense. They've left us on a bad cliffhanger. I can't wait for season 5. But every night I go to sleep by thinking what's gonna happen next.
I know, and I really am looking for shows now because I have exhausted everything. I think I've watched. So now that you've told me these 2 shows, I'm like, okay, I think I'm gonna check out one tonight.
Please do check it out. It's very good.
Yeah, I will. Okay, great. Lastly, I want to ask you, why do you like Miss Malini, the platform?
I love Miss Malini platform because I've seen Miss Malini on various places, and I have always wanted to do an interview, and this is the first time you're doing it, and I'm very excited for that because I've seen you guys are very active and it's very unique. Also, it has its own style, and that's the reason I love the logo itself. I mean, the first thing that I notice is the logo, and it's really unique. So even though there's so many different platforms, but I think Miss Malini has its own style, and that's why I was really excited for this interview.
Yeah, we were damn excited also when Kushi told me, yeah, I definitely.
How sweet, how sweet.
Yeah, for sure. But thank you so much for being on this live. I had a blast. I felt like I had a long time, which is awesome.
For some reason it feels the same way. I feel that I've known you for a long time, and actually thank you so much. I had a lot of fun.
Yeah, me too. And next time, obviously, once the lockdown is over, we shall
Yeah.
meet in some point.
Yes, I would love that. I'm totally
Yeah,
looking forward to that.
same, same. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Take care.
Yes, you too. Bye.
Bye.